Greetings everybody, my name is Jim and I'm part of the staff here at Aquatic and Garden Decor. Today we're going to be going over varying types of water features. When people come here to the store at Aquatic and Garden, they ask about water features, and little do they know how many different types of water features there are. So the first type of water feature again is called a fountain. A lot of times we'll call it a cast stone fountain. There's all different types that you can choose here at Aquatic and Garden. We have them large enough for circle driveways, small enough for a small porch. They can even go inside. They can have an Italian look, an old world look, a modern look, all different kinds of looks that you will be able to find with a cast stone water feature. Another great feature that we pride ourselves in here at Aquatic and Garden Decor is all of our cast stone fountains are manufactured here in the United States by the best manufacturers, frankly, in the world. Overall, we feel that no matter what your desire might be with the cast stone fountain, you're probably going to be finding it here at Aquatic and Garden Decor.
Hi, I'm Carrie with Aquatic and Garden Decor. I'm going to talk about some of the common questions that we get about cast stone fountains here at the store. Popular question, do I need a water line for my fountain? No, you do not need a water line for a cast stone fountain. You simply set it up, stack up the pieces, there's a pump that recirculates the water, and you fill with a garden hose. When the water runs low, you refill with a garden hose. Very easy, just simply plug in the pump and it circulates the water. How often should I run my fountain? You can run the fountain every day, but run it for your enjoyment. Running a few hours a day is plenty. People say, what if I don't run my fountain? Will I get mosquitoes? No. Running a few hours a day is plenty to eliminate the stagnant water that would encourage mosquitoes to breed in the fountain. Cast stone fountains are very easy. You just need a little level base, stack up the pieces, plug in the pump, recirculates the water.